Hey FormaCars fans, it's Chris here at FormaCars in Columbus, Ohio. We're about to take off for the Hot Rod Power Tour. I'm just here chilling in my office and getting some last minute things together. We got over here, we've got all our mics. We're going to be doing a lot of recording of other people's vehicles, getting some interviews with some cool people, so stay tuned. Got some extra mics, extra cameras, some GoPros to put in the coupe when we're out there. And I got a bunch of different electronics in my laptop, ready to rock out of here. As you can see, my office is pretty plain, pretty boring, but that's just the way I like it. But everybody's cool with that, At FormaCars, we generally try to build something around you. So I kind of want my office built around me. I like minimalism, simple and plain. We're about to head out to the shop here in a moment, so stay tuned, all right guys? See ya. All right, we're just walking through one of the shops. This is where we have a lot of our CNCs and lathes and stuff like that. I'll flip you around real quick so you can take a peek. Whoa! All right, we're gonna walk out to the trailer, kind of show you what we got ready to go. A lot of people are like, why are you trailing to the Hot Rod Power Tour? Well, I mean, some of our cars, we have display models, but we also sell our cars too. So, we like to ride them and have people come and demo them, see if it's something they like. But we also want to make sure that they're really nice and, keep low mileage on them, because we do plan on selling them. But we still want to have fun. So, that's probably the easy reasy. All right, let's pop in this trailer. Ugh. So this is going to be our first year as a long hauler on the Hot Rod Power Tour. So we don't really know what to expect. All we know is we just want to meet a lot of really cool people, see a lot of really cool cars. Hopefully people get to come and see our pretty cool car. But let me show you what we've packed, and you guys could say, oh my gosh, you guys are not prepared at all. All right, so let's see. We got plenty of cleaning supplies loaded up in there. What do we got here? Some tools and a first aid kit. Is it locked? Some additional wiping stuff and nothing really. Some gloves. Gloves would be helpful. Down here we got some extra fuel, tons of water, some jumper cables, and of course, tons of business cards. Because how often do you get to know new people? They're always asking, hey, what's your name again? We got plenty of business cards to get with it. All right, Tim got the machine started. He's just gonna back it up. We're gonna go put it in the trailer. You need some eyes? Okay. We officially took off. We've got the car packed. We're about, 300 something miles away, I believe. Is that about right?
433.
433 miles. So we got a little while of time in the car. We get down there and register, I think, early in the morning tomorrow. Tim, what is one thing that you're hoping to see at the Hot Rod Power Tour?
What is one thing that I'm hoping to see? Oh, just like people like us. I want to see some new stuff people's built. I know there's a couple guys that's built some new cars. I'm hoping they get them out to this event.
Cool. And I think for me, I would like to see something that's modern and just has a real nice, smooth, seamless look. I'm personally not a huge engine guy. I just like everything to look really nice, smooth, kind of like that minimalist look. That's what I like to see. But we'll see. I'm sure there's gonna be a ton of little crazy things around there. We'll just capture more of the ride as we go.
Did you grab the box of shirts?
I did not grab the box of shirts. Do we need it? I have a bunch of shirts. What size are you? I have a bunch of mediums, but if we need, Chris can grab all that stuff tomorrow. Thank you. All right, we stopped in West Virginia, get some gas. It's pretty nice out here. Just gonna grab some water from outside of the inside this sucker here. Get some drinks and some drinks. Nice weather. This cool little old truck across the street. You can see it here. Old pickup truck, dump truck, whatever you want to call it. I feel like that should be in the Hot Rod Power Tour. I don't know why it's not. All right, we're gonna keep moving. Catch you guys on the road. I kept hearing about the backed up traffic on the Hot Rod Power Tour. I just feel like it's a little bit early. We barely even started. All right, Tim, we're stuck in traffic. I'm gonna share an awful joke with you, and you're probably not gonna laugh at me.
That doesn't surprise me.
If you already know this one, let me know. But and what's going on with Blue Jelly? Oh, there's a classic car. Oh man, I asked some people and I told them about Blue Jelly, and that's, just kind of everybody freaked out, and that's where I am today. And the guy's like, huh, interesting. And the kid's like, all right, so just kind of starts walking across the street and he gets hit by a car. And ultimately the moral of the story is, make sure you look both ways before you cross the road. That's it. This is going to happen on the Hot Rod Power Tour. I feel pretty bad for everybody who doesn't have a top on their car. I have a feeling we're going to see all of them under all the overpasses on the way to the next location. And again, they say don't bring a trailer. Maybe this is the perfect reason why maybe you should bring a trailer. All right, made another stop in West Virginia. No, sorry, we're in Virginia. Get some more gas. A couple old trucks here. Not sure if they're gonna be the Hot Rod Power Tour, but maybe we'll see something like that when we get there. I'm sure there's gonna be a lot of really cool stuff. All right, we're gonna keep moving.
Coyote 8.
Nice.
For any of the trucks parked.
Oh, sweet. Thank you very much.
We don't have security out there. We lock them up, but we will walk out every once in a while and check. We'll keep an eye, try to help each other out, keep an eye on your
Cool, man.
Appreciate that.
Thank you. All right, so we finally made it to the hotel. Holiday Express, nice guys. Pilot were giving us some information about where we can park, so we're just back at the trailer and go. All right, made it to our hotel room. We're gonna get some stuff down, probably go out and get some food. We've already met some really nice people around here. They gave us some guidance on where we should park. Pretty nice people. Cool room. We'll be here for a couple days while we get registered and get our machine out on the streets, have some fun, and meet some fun people. I'm excited about it. I hope you guys are too. I want to catch you guys out there, get some videos, get some interviews, do some fun stuff. All right, I'll catch up with you.